Hey, my name is Szabi and welcome to my course on how to get started with affiliate marketing. This is not just a plain course, I'm also going to hand you a huge list of affiliate programs that I gathered over the years. This will give you a real boost to success. Also, if you are new, I will help you to understand how to select the best affiliate program that will suit you and which will generate you the most revenue. I will help you to go from zero to results in no time. The hard truth is, most people will fail to earn a single dime from affiliate marketing. But why is this happening? The main reasons are: they are confused and don't know which affiliate program they should join, which will fit them the best. They don't have a strategic method of promoting products that will start earning for them an affiliate income. I know that starting affiliate marketing can be extremely hard. Believe me, starting is the hardest. I've been there myself, I know this better than anyone else. Because of this, I wanted to create a course I wish I had back then when I started. But what if I would hand you a done-for-you list of affiliate programs organized by categories, niches, that you could literally just check and get going with affiliate marketing? Well, that's exactly what you are going to find in this course. I added to it a huge list of affiliate programs which can be joined today and start promoting them to make your dreams come true. No more confusion when thinking about which affiliate program to select. No more frustration when you find out that the affiliate program you just selected is not fitting you at all. Just an in-depth list of affiliate programs joined with a course that will provide you insights about how to select some affiliate programs from the provided list that will match you the best and how to get starting promoting them. I basically done the first steps of starting up with affiliate marketing for you. You just need to check on what I have to present to you. First, you will understand the main principles of how affiliate marketing works. Second, you will understand what you need to look for when you are searching for an affiliate program. Third, you will get a huge list of affiliate programs you can join today. Fourth, you will learn how to select the affiliate program that fits you the best and what to check when joining any affiliate program in the future. Fifth, you will learn what you need to know when you join an affiliate network. Sixth, you will learn how to search for even more affiliate programs. Yes, even more are possible. Seventh, you will learn how to join an affiliate program and what will you need to have to do so. Eighth, you will learn how to start promoting the affiliate programs you joined and how to start earning a revenue from them. Ninth, you will learn how to drive tons of free traffic on autopilot on your affiliate promotions. 11th, you will learn what are sales funnels and how to use them for best results. 12. How to make the most out of affiliate marketing. Now it is the right time to start affiliate marketing. Don't wait for people to get a head start over you to take action today. Many affiliate programs found in the list that this course will provide you have a very low affiliate competition, so you will be able to promote them with more ease. You must know, earning money with affiliate marketing is not a myth. And just in case you feel that this course didn't bring enough value for you, or this is not the right thing for you, you should remember one thing. This course is backed by Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy for any reason, you will get a full refund. I'm confident that you will find that it's a great course to learn how to create a passive online income using affiliate marketing. And many things found in this course will not be found anywhere else. I'm excited to watch you take your first steps with affiliate marketing, and also don't forget you can join a Facebook group specially built for this course where you can share your results. Now go and start earning affiliate marketing income. Let's meet again inside the course.